Hello everyone, and today we are going to solve the problem Java end of file. So let's see. So the challenge here to read n lines of input. We have to read n lines, then you reach end of file, then print all n line of contents. So input format you have given n lines of input, and you have to output each line with the line number. Okay, like hello world I am file. So hello world is first line, so first, then second, and then third, then it is the end of file. After that you don't need to print anything. So for that we are using scanner class, because scanner class has one method that is called hackerrank, which is used to verify that whether the input is present or not. Like, first let me create scanner object, scanner sc new scanner, and we will provide system.input, system.in. Now first of all, let's say it is count, that will count the line number. So let's see line number. Okay, so it is tracking the line number. So now while sc has next, then what we have to do, we have to print system.out.print, and we have to print line number. Then we have to print sc dot next, whatever input is, but we have to make one space also. So now let's see. So next will, what will do the next will take the input, and what has next is doing, has next is checking whether there is input present or not. So that's all. So run the code, let's see what is the error. Okay, sample test kills failed. Okay, we have done two mistakes. First is we have not increased the line number. Second is we have to print the in next line. So hello line number will start from 1, sorry. So now let's see, again it is failing. Okay, next line we have to take the whole line as input. Line method, next line. So now you can see we have passed all the sample test case, we have passed. Now submit the code, and yeah, we have done that. Thanks for watching.